Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to email page on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Microsoft OneNote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To email a OneNote page from Windows 10, you have a couple of options depending on how you want to share your notes. Number one option is once you open a page, you might want to click the section that says share. It's very easy, really. Because if you do that, you should be able to email copy of a page. All right. And then there should be a pop-up here that would forward you to the Microsoft Outlook, especially if it's integrated properly. In my case, I haven't had a chance to properly install the Microsoft Outlook. There was a problem during the update, but if the Outlook is successfully installed or it is installed on your computer or desktop, it's going to be really easy because it would forward you to the Microsoft Outlook itself. All right? Don't worry because we have more options. If you copy a link to a notebook or see that, it would ask you to share a copy instead of logging in to share your notebook. Click the OneNote page, and again, it's the same thing. All right. If you go again to the share entire notebook, it will require to sign in. Now, another option is I want you to go to the Microsoft OneNote on the web version because here it's a lot easier because you can again share entire notebook as an email. All right, wait for it. Now you can add a name, specific group of people, especially helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers or if you're working with clients. It's gonna be a lot easier to forward this page as an email attachment. All right, you can put in a message. Now you can copy that link if you wanted, or you can simply send it. It's very easy. It would be forwarded as an attachment via email on this OneNote page. Another option is, for example, if you don't want to email this page via the Outlook, all right, I want you to click the print option, all right, print this page. But what I'm going to do is save this as a PDF, all right. If you do that, save it to your local computer, and then you can simply use another email provider such as Gmail, and all you have to do is save the exported PDF file and place it as an attachment, and of course send it to the receiver that you wanted. Basically, these are going to be your options. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.